Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty pa my cellular. No. You know say you hot. No.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur for
Hey babies, it's your girl Sasha. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe button and join the fam. Also, go and watch some of my previous videos to get familiar with me. They sent me this beautiful 24-inch Bodywave wig. It came pre-customized and curl. Like, I took this straight out of the package and put on my head, and I got these really nice curls. Before we get into the details of this wig, I'm going to give you guys a quick installation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
Yeah, this the real one, baby. I'm telling you, Chi-Town stand up. South side, we gon' set this party off right. West side, we gon' set this party off right. Man, I promise, she's so self-conscious. She has no idea what she's doing in college. That major that she majored in don't make no money, but she won't drop out. Her parents will look at her funny. Now, tell me that ain't insecure. The concept of school seems so secure. Sophomore, 3 girls ain't picked a career. She like, it, I'll just stay down her and do it, cause that's enough money to buy her. If you
then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty pa my cellular. No. You know say you hot. No.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me
it now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama. I need you coming with the comments. Oh, DJ, turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. You know what up to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 pick it up, up. You know what up to make it jump, 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 jump. You know what up to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 pick it up, up. You know what up to make it.
Only gotta make a call and I'm here. Don't know wanna know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some carrots in your ear. Make a stick up, I want to put it in the room. Wanna give D, I serve it like a dealer. You been out there, I'm digging in the middle. I'm breaking your word, it can feel no better. Look at my picture, I'm polarized. Shit tough, you know what? If sweet feeling like sirloin. Tell the chauffeur, take it, shit, and that's all. Never play with you, be a war.
Yeah, baby.
It's so expensive.
If you wanna be mine, where you belong is all alone with me. I know you don't miss him, so I won't remind. Girl, you know I don't wanna miss out in the meantime. Time on the runway, cameras flash on the runway. Ain't ready, ask you to run away. You know you need to pack every Monday. Hey, watch this, yeah. Got the bands in my pockets. Girl, you know I paid for it, but watch this, yeah. All of the time, girl, you look fine. Girl, you deserve all of the shine, and I'll get behind it. You know I don't see you, and him, no, I don't get it. You know I wanna be down, and you're with it. Girl, I get so excited when you touch me. Can I come see you now, baby?
Yeah, can I see?
See you now, baby. Yeah. I know what I want. Play with you, I know I love you. So bring your ass to the front. Shake it like that, baby, throw it.
Yeah, arch, back, like that, head back, like that. Get ready on heat, you know. I don't give a fuck how we get up, just call back, right back. We can spend that, get it right back. Now she just said I wanted all of that, so that's why I bought
I
it.
know you rock me right now. You know I can't stand to be here without.
Okay babies, so that's it for the installation. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and saw how easy it was to do this install, and the fact that it was pre-curl, I didn't have to stress about curling this hair. After, all I did was comb out the curls to get a looser vibe and to get that little loose wave look that you guys are seeing right here. And me personally, I love my Bodywave curls with volume but with a little bit of sheen, so I went ahead and I added some argan oil. The quality of this wig is definitely 10 out of 10 for me. The lace melted really nice, like it's so cute. HG lace, of course. And even though it's a 24-inch wig, it is actually really long. As you guys saw, the wig was packaged nicely, and unlike some other wig companies, when I get the wig, they'll have a little scent. With Wiggins, I didn't have that experience. The hair actually smelled new and clean. It wasn't giving that scent. If you guys wear wigs, you guys will know, but it was smelling really nice. It was packaged properly, as well as shipping. It really came fast. I didn't have to wait an extensive long time to get this package, so I love that. All the information about this wig will be down in my description box. Even if you're not interested in getting a wig now, you can go ahead and check out Wiggins Hair to see other wigs that they'll probably have that you like, because this is not my first time collaborating with them, and I can always tell you that the quality of their wigs really nice. The body wave, the deep wave, the straight wig, always 10 out of 10. Okay, so click the link down below and go ahead and make your purchase, or just scroll through the sites to see what the other wigs are giving. Until next time, bye babies.
Oh, if you wanna be mine, where you